Okay, we are on lesson 3, step by steps, starting page 49 all the way to page 65. So this chapter is about working with text, and it's a pretty simple lesson with just different kinds of options that you have in PowerPoint with text features. Okay, so the very first thing that we're going to talk about is the step-by-step on page number 49 called Create Numbered Lists. So let's start with that step-by-step. It says, get ready, launch PowerPoint if it's not already open. Okay, so launch PowerPoint by going into your Start menu and click on PowerPoint. All right. Next, open the Leveraging Corporate Cash presentation from the data files for this lesson. So File, Open, and now we are going to navigate to wherever our data files are for this lesson. In your case, over here, you're going to look on desktop and then go to your CE 101 folder. In my case, they're in this folder, inside my PowerPoint folder, in student data files, and we are now in lesson 3, so all the files that we need for this lesson are going to be in the 03 folder. Okay, so we have to open the Leveraging Corporate Cash. Leveraging Corporate Cash. There it is. Step number 2, save the presentation as Leveraging Corporate Cash Solution. File, Save As, back into 3, and call it Leveraging Corporate Cash Solution. Save. All right. Okay. Step number 3. Click slide 2 and then click in the first line. Click slide 2 and then click in the first line of the text in the text placeholder. Determine inventory turnover. Okay. It didn't really say where to click, so we're just going to go ahead and click. I always like to click either at the beginning or at the end. Step number 4, click the numbering button in the paragraph group. Click the numbering button in the paragraph group. Okay, here is a numbering button. Let's go ahead and click on it. Okay, select the last 3 lines in the text placeholder. Select the last 3 lines in the text placeholder. Step number 6, click the numbering button. Click the numbering button. PowerPoint applies numbers 2 through 4. Click outside the text placeholder to clear any text selection. All right? Your slide should resemble the one shown in figure 3-10. Does it look like that? Yes, it does. Step number 8. Click in the text placeholder containing the numbered list and then press Control A. So you want to click here and then press Control and the letter A on your keyboard. What is Control A the shortcut for? It means select all, okay? Click the numbering drop-down arrow. Click the numbering drop-down arrow to the right of the numbering button to open a gallery of numbering styles. These are different styles, and if you hover your mouse over them, you see how they change on the main list, okay? Click the uppercase Roman numeral style. Okay, uppercase Roman numeral style. There we go. And save the presentation. Save it. Okay, we don't have to change the name. So just go ahead and click on the save icon or Control S. Step by step on page 50, work with bulleted lists. Get ready. Use the Leveraging Corporate Cash Solution presentation that is open from the previous exercise. That's what we have open. Step number 1, click slide 3. Click slide 3 and select all of the bulleted list items in the text box. To do this, you can either drag across them or click inside the list and press Control A. So you can either do this and select everything, or you could just click here and do Control A, right? Click the bullets drop-down arrow. Click the bullets drop-down arrow in the paragraph group, and now we get a gallery of different bullet styles. Click the check marks bullet. Click the check marks bullet, right? With the text still selected, click the bullets drop down arrow again and then click bullets and numbering. And now we're going to click on this and click bullets and numbering. All right. The bullets and numbering dialog box opens. So this is called a dialog box. All right. In the size box, type 80. In the size box, type 80. Right. This reduces the bullet size to 80% of the text size. Okay, in the color button, click the color button and then click blue accent 1. Blue accent 1. Nope. We have to do some searching here. Blue accent 1. Blue accent 1. There we go. It even tells us that it is the fifth color from the left in the first row. This changes the color of the bullets. Click OK. Click OK. And save the presentation. Save the presentation. So what we did over here is we changed the kind of bullets, okay, from the regular circles to check marks. Then we reduced the size of those bullets, and then we changed the color of those bullets, right? Now we're done with that step by step on page 51, and we move on to page 52. We've been asked to close this. All right. Open the full profit presentation. We are now going to be doing a step-by-step called Insert a Word Art Graphic. A Word Art Graphic is basically text that we will convert into a graphic, okay? All right, so open the full profit. Open the full profit. There we go. Save the presentation as full profit solution. File, save as full profit solution. I think you guys must have figured out by now why it asks us to rename files. The reason is they always want us to keep the original in case we mess up the one that we're practicing on. All right? Okay, so save the presentation full profit solution. Step number 3, click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. All right? And then in the text group, click the word art button. Click the word art button. Now, when you click on that, a gallery opens up. Okay, these are called galleries. When you have drop-down lists and they further reveal what was lying beneath that button, that box is called a gallery because it displays various types of the same piece. Okay, step number 4. Click the pattern fill, brown, dark, upward diagonal, stripe, hard, shadow word art. Now, these have some really wicked names, but each and every type of art or each and every type of font, each and every type of color has a name. Okay, fill, pattern fill brown, pattern fill brown, pattern fill white, pattern fill gold, pattern fill brown. Okay, dark upward diagonal style, dark. Okay, that is not the one that they want. Is it this? Is it this? Nope. Pattern fill brown. It's sometimes hard to find names that you have to kind of keep doing it. Okay. Shadow. Sure we'll find it. Okay, I'm really stumped here.